Hello guys, and welcome back to another section. So today let's make something beautiful. Delete what you have on your screen. Okay, now let's set the background color. We are making use of this custom size that we have here. So let's come to color. Under gradient, you can just come to gradient and select this color. So this is the color that I'll be making use of. Let me give us the color code. The first deep one, which is the outer part, let me give us the color code. The color code is 021974. That's the color code right here. If you enter it, you get it right. You get this color 021974. That's the color code. Now the lighter one, the color code for the lighter one is 606C double F. 606 letter C, letter F in two places, that's double. So you get this code right here. Okay it, and there you choose the center radius. Okay that, then you have the same thing that I have on my screen right here. Okay that. Now the next thing we are going to do is to start bringing in the items for our design. You come back here, then you click on import. Okay, here is a simple design that we are making use of. Let's just position this right here, something like this. You can see it. Use relative positioning, center it. Okay that. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to, let's say we are putting in mega sales. Let's type in mega sales. Just like that. Let's make it, you can make it a capital letter or a small letter, whichever one you feel it's okay. But here I'm using capital letter. So you come to font. Want to make use of a slant font that is a little bit slant. So you come to normal font. Okay, this is like one of the only big size font that is slant. Just okay that, then you come to color. Let's come to color. Let's make it a black color so as it can be clear to see. Okay that. Now what we are just going to do now is to come to rotation. Let's just rotate it like, let's rotate it to like, okay, reduce the size of this. Let's increase the size of this one a little. Okay, and position it right inside like this. There you have it as mega sales. Position it properly. Now it's as if some part is cut out, so you come to paddling, just give it some paddling so as everywhere can be seen. Then you put it inside properly, just like this. So we have mega sales. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to create a shape. Let's create a rectangular shape like this that will just cover the page. We will extend it to cover the page, just like this. Let's rotate it a little also to, like, let's say something like this. You can see this. Now extend it to cover the page and bring it down here. Good. The next thing I'm going to do now is to bring in a design. Okay, here is the design. You can see this. So I'll just increase the size. I want it to touch the both hands, like something like this. Good. Now position it. Just let me reduce it a little. Now position it to something like this. You can see this. You can see the distance between this place, between this one and this one. Okay, just position it like that. Then relative positioning, center. Okay that. Now just send it to the back. Like you can come here and drag it and take it to the back. Now it's right behind the rectangle that we created. Let's move this down a little. Okay, great. Now let's create another rectangular shape. just like this. Extend it to cover the page. Okay it. And let's make this one color. Enable the color, come to gradient, make use of the same color that we have as the background color, and bring it down back, and just bring it down to, you can use relative positioning to move it. I just want it to show a little at the down to something like this. Okay, this is fine. This is nice. Okay, that then you click out. The next thing we are going to do now is what we really want to display. So let's bring it in. Okay, this is the item you are displaying for sale. So you can position it properly and just bring it here like this. So you position it to something like this. Okay, and center it like right at the center. I'll make these materials available for us to be able to replicate this design at our. So the next thing is just to spice up this design with the, let's say, order now, call this number and the rest. So I will just do that. But before that, let me add a styling. Okay, let me pick something from here to spice up this my style to something like this. Okay, you can see this. I'll try and make this available for us also. Just position this somewhere here like this, and let's make it a white color. Okay, just like that. Then you can come back to opacity and just reduce the opacity so as it won't be too obvious, but the beauty is right there. So good. Let's just duplicate this and let's crop it to something like this. Okay, that now you have the same thing and just position it. Let me crop it some more. Okay, and just position it to something like this. Okay, now there we have it. If you have a logo, you can position your logo right above here, and let's type in order now. And reduce the size. Now let's give it a background. Enable the background. Scroll down, make it a radius of, let's say, 20. Then left paddling 3 or 4 compared to. Just make sure they are the same. Now let's give it a color. Let's make it let's pick a color for it from what we have on our screen. Let's pick a gradient color. First color like this. Come to color pick 2. Then with what we have on our screen, let's select something like this. Okay, the other one, let's come to this color pick, something like this, and let's pick a deep, something deep like this. Okay, but this, let me interchange it to something like this. So what we just have to do is choose center radius again. You can see it's center radius. Okay, that, and there you have it. Just come and position this. You can okay, then you can come to size and pick a specific size of your choice. Let's make it a size 20. Eighteen is even fine. So just position it properly. But ensure it's not touching the other one. Okay, just duplicate that. Duplicate it, edit it. Now let's type in the phone number. Let's say +23481. Okay, let's say this is the phone number. Okay, but this time around we have to bring this down here. Now you can remove the background of this. I just remove the background, okay, and make it a color of, let's make it a color black, like a black color. That's text now. Okay, that position it properly. Okay, so right above it, you can just type something like reach us here or reach us on semicolon, just like that. You reduce the size of that one also. Let's make it a size of 10 or 15 and just come and position it right above this place. For this one now, let's change the color of this text. Let's change the color to, let's say, the gradient color that we made use of for the background of the other one. Then the small text, which is reach us, let's make it a black color. Just like this. You can see how we have made this very beautiful design, everything looking beautiful. If this was really helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I'm posting more videos like this. Thank you for watching and God bless you.